Hi, my name is Angela Connell. I am the CEO and founder of Vivacity Consulting. Thank you for contacting Vivacity with regards to kickstarting your RTO. We have been in the training industry for over 10 years, and we've been coaching and consulting to the industry on compliance and how to stay compliant. We have a range of services supporting the industry, but we also have set up many training organisations around Australia. We have a free course that you can access called How to Launch an RTO. I highly recommend that you click on the link below and get access to this course, because this course covers all the key skills you need to know in order to launch an RTO. Then you can get in contact with our Vivacity team and speak to Dave about further information about how Vivacity can help you with registering your RTO. I look forward to seeing you soon.